Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. And today we're going to be talking about Norwegian Cruise Lines. What do I personally think about Norwegian Cruise Lines, and is it a good time to pick up the stock? But before we start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, so that way we can go on our investing journey together. So, Norwegian Cruise Lines, what is it? It's a huge cruise line company that's kind of taken a little big hit because of the pandemic. If we take a look here at the 3-month chart or even the 1-year chart, I mean, this stock was trading around $57.54 kind of right before the pandemic hit, and it sunk all the way down to about $8.23. Obviously, it's made a little bit of a recovery, but the fact that Norwegian Cruise Lines is a travel stock, it's taken a pretty big hit along with all travel as well. But the reason I feel like Norwegian Cruise Lines is a good buy is because, guys, it's a huge cruise line company, and like I said, guys, it's a commodity that's never going to really die out. A lot of people like to go on cruises, and it's always kind of been a popular thing. And the thing is, guys, you have to understand that although it's temporarily delayed of, the cruises and when we're going to get a vaccine and stuff like that, when we do find a vaccine, guys, these stocks are going to be super rampant because this whole summer, no one was able to really fly. No one was able to go on vacation. No one was able to go on cruises and stuff like that. When Norwegian Cruise Lines and Carnival and all those other stocks, they start, getting things on the road again, they start doing more cruises and stuff like that, these stocks are going to blow up like crazy because the demand is going to be a lot more rampant. A lot of people did get robbed, to be able to go on vacation with their family and to go on their favorite cruise or whatever the case. A stock that was trading at $58 right before the pandemic is now sitting at $16.72. I mean, to me, it's an absolute must buy. I honestly think that the stock is a bargain. And the reason I say this is because when are you going to get a huge cruise line company for $16? It's never going to happen. The demand is there. The company's never really going to disappear, and it has a lot of big time investors. I know a lot of people may have lost money off Norwegian Cruise Lines before because of the whole pandemic thing, but guys, this stock is going to recover. This stock is going to make a big time recovery once we get things going on the road again. I'm super bullish on Norwegian Cruise Lines, and that's only due to the fact that I know how much people love cruises. I personally love cruises. I go on a cruise every single year, and they're super fun. They're super awesome. It's a good time to spend time with your family or significant other or whatever the case. And like I said, it's a luxury that's never going to go away. People love going on cruises. And to think that, buying this huge cruise line company for $16 isn't a steal, then I don't really know what to tell you. I honestly do personally picking up some Norwegian Cruise Line shares. That's just my personal opinion. Obviously, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal recommendation. But guys, you could be missing on a huge jackpot here. I mean, you're looking at least, even if the stock were to double, which it most likely probably will here in the future, you're already looking at 100% return. So if you were to invest, like, let's say $5,000, you're going to be walking away with $10,000. I think a lot of people are ignoring the travel industry a lot because no one's really certain on when the recovery is going to be there. A lot of people are buying a lot of tech stocks and EV companies and stuff like that. And travel is kind of getting the short end of the stick. But guys, just remember that travel is one of the biggest, types of commodity in the world. A lot of people travel for, whether it be for work, vacation, business, or whatever the case. To think that those big companies are just going to disappear, it's probably not going to happen. Like I said, I know they're not getting a lot of attention because a lot of people are putting their money in like Microsoft or Tesla or Apple and all these other big tech companies that are kind of striving right now. I know that, the recovery for these stocks is imminent and no one really knows when they're actually going to recover. But when they do, guys, these things are going to make a huge recovery, and then it's going to start getting a bunch of more attention. Like I said, a lot of people did not get to take a vacation this year, so there's going to be more of a demand for it next year. And like I said, guys, picking up a huge cruise line company for $16, to me personally, guys, it looks like a steal. But with that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Please leave a like on the video below, subscribe to the channel, leave down in the comment section below what you guys think of Norwegian Cruise Lines. Do you guys own any shares and how much? And do you think Norwegian Cruise Lines will recover? Thank you guys. Have a good day.